I must log in. So messed up, man.
iPhone photography workshop was amazing. Why did he skip bots and go to Mozambique? I feel like if he was in, I feel like in bots, notice. Someone would have noticed and then posted on social media. I think maybe he's thinking bots to Mozambique because you're all black. Come on, come on, bro, come on. I mean, it could be possible.
Hey man, I don't know what the flip happened. I don't know what happened.
But we'll know. Yeah.
I don't know what happened. I don't know what really happened. Chad, I don't know what happened, but we're gonna finish those deliveries and then I think I'm gonna call it a day. After I get paid, because I have to go see family. I don't know what happened. And buy the M5. Yeah. After I get the payment, I'll buy the M5. It's hot up in here. It's hot up in here, my nigga. It's hot. It's hot. Eish. Live because people left. Who told you that? Who told you that? Who told you? Who told you he's coming here? Relax. 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 Yeah, I'm live. I want to believe I'm live on YouTube as well. Yeah. Relax. Why is my chats so you should be so popular. Relax. Chat. Cool. People are gone now. Low key humbled already. Don't worry, people will come back, my dog. Don't worry. They're my people. But yeah, life is another one. Like when you have like an error. I thought I'm the first one to land here. Ah, nah, bruh. I know you mean you. Nna ke bona le tabogile ke re ke mo le reetseng a rota kwana. Bots and SA are so familiar. So I didn't see him coming here. He would rather go somewhere different. Let's see if he does come back here. But I doubt.
It's that plug talk. Shit out the fucking mud talk. Can't spit it if you ain't out the slums talk.
Kapela libasop zitin kanjan izinja zam makhelwane waflop ubiza boba kwizinja zam asidali ngestock awubiza bona kwizinja zam Zaki
Intsi ke about PUBG ba Copa tournament. I just mentioned the little by Copa. In this game, you were born with. I think, where is your mom? In this game, you're born. Where's your. I don't know, bruh. Are you collaborating with Speedy? No. Find a girl named Palesa. Find. What in the game? I got to more by name by game me, dog. By name by game me, but I don't want to mess with them, bruh. I was almost done with my picking up the delivery. I'm left with how many? 2 deliveries and then I'm done. Can I get pick all my cars go that place? I don't know if the long cruiser is the only one I can take out here. My velocity qua. Let me. How many hours do you stream, Ank? It depends on the day, how I feel, what I'm doing. I can't take out another car, bruh. Hey, Gideon, I don't know what happened, bruh. I just disappeared. I can't remove another car. Oh, hey, you're not sure trouble on Melbourne. Or I was just mad with it. Yeah, I'm can't all my cars are. Insurance is like koloi I don't like ish. I don't like using this road. Speed is in Mozambique, yeah, for sure. Now you just literally lot like one label. It depends on how his vibe, to be honest. Yeah, that I don't have. BK will talk later on app when I go change my age. It's been 2 days without getting a full. Hey, no, go do your thing. Go do your thing like that. I'm only doing the last 2 deliveries, get paid, and then I'll buy the M. Not get the M. Why am I lagging? I'll buy a car and then I'll. So I have to go touch grass. I gotta go touch grass. From here, I want to go touch grass with the family. Look, all my 2 cars are here, bro. M5, yeah. Batswana ba rata go guys dintshang nya ha rumolana o bua nnete a se go rumolana go mo o bua nnete ya go se ke toditsa ga 2 ya eish bo ke simolotse ka diphošonyana tse tsa metse bathong modimo eish my guy watching you from work where yes ke rile phoso it's I hope track e ke tshwereng ke yone ya location e pinnweng I don't want to go then only find out gore track e sentse gore e tsaya ke yone ha e upside down yes yeah hello hey but I think I'm about half 3 4 ma ke etsa game sharp hey sharp I think hey don't feel like a new year yeah it doesn't hey Ricky doesn't this guy ke motho wa ga this girl gatwe mang o ra mang motho wa re ba phone ka re ke mohumi wa re motho wa ga mang hey lang o ra mang go o ra mang chat go o ra mang ho but I don't know you though yeah no why o bua dilo ka ro wait what wa re ke mfana ga mang yanong ga ke go get wait ha re ke a go itse re mmogo wait a minute who's this na o nkitse me nna ke a go itse ga se file hey lona le rata dilo tsa batho Rose ya go mmotsa gore o irang ka nte ho hey because I'm trying to see mo profileng gore o go tsa tswa kae I'm not seeing anything bua lettera ya ntlha ya motho wa teng o buang ka yena, bua lettera ya ntlha. What city is this? This is Life in SA. Got the traffic. Hey, get close the traffic. Ha, show hey man. Sorry. Yo. Chara joke. Chat, I'm just trolling with y'all. Ke a bua ka mang. Ne ka tla bona reaction ya lona. O itse lona bana. Ah, lona ka la protecta motho lona. O itse. Ah. Ka la protecta motho. What o tswa chadibe kana go ira ka la go. Cause ne ka tla bona rame mo profile ya ke ta bona matapanyana kana something. So I can connect the dots. I think. Nope. Oh, we meet here. Go. Okay, cool. We meet man through Nameto kana. We meet here. Go. But let's talk Shalin. Alam malita ka kantina ban. This is my client. We ring for the client ya the week. Because I know one thing she ever bought Kiddy Week. Client, I'm trying to remember client. No, I don't think Kiddy Week. What can it be? If she's your client. BK play Jagala say nope. Not client. What I can make a name? Nail supplier. Kanto wena Liam ako ikete wena o tla o bile do tsidisa tsona o bua mo stream ako iketle ke tla tsamga dipina da mapele se ke ka tlo go checka sengwe da it was Kingsley and Kingsley ki character right. Nya di doti tswa ngsen ka di buang mo streaming tse nna ka tseo. Ha di bi mo streaming tse di. Nya se bogale. Au, ha se bogale. Why it's like I'm doing this thing again. We shouldn't invite cars by Leon one day by the gara. I didn't invite our way. We should. Oh, we should. Hey, nah, he should land. Kana me mta go ke leitinyana with wena Rose. Mta go is like what 13 years old. Muntu bua maina ba. Twa ke tso those I litse batho bao. This is what I've been saying the names. I know you guys don't know them. Prince o tsega nna go YouTube. I know guys you never know those people. That's why I'm saying their names. Wait, let's chill. Bana ba re la go speedy le kae na bana ke le tshege. Ole humble the whole country ba ithaba rota kwana o shame. Yeah, I know he's young. Hey, like Kingsley. Ke o tsela ya nne mwana. A ke re se me ke bua lo lona ne mwana. Kana mala story ke o tsela ke kgwetsera. Ne le sa buisana. Nah, bra. Go batla Red Bull. Ntse ke no Red Bull ke sharp. I'm not saying it's wrong, but this thing, I can imagine on Panayala. Nikki Dileton. You. Imagine on Panayala, I know your girl. Hey. Ki tsora ga itsewe yana ka tshoga yana ke pitsara no no mitse tsika bana helicopter ke helicopter. Oh, ke tsana mo teng mo. This is the first time ke tla go tsa DD mo. This is the first time I'm here. This is like the military kind of weird galing. Yeah, do mo khanya teng chief. Do mo khanya teng. Wait, this is the first time I actually come to collect this thing. What the flip? Ke go tswa yang gone? Nna mme ke a go itse sentseng ne ke ile ka go bona le ko river walk. River walk, I don't remember it. Hey, tlo go etsa go mo ke sa collect. It's not you've been using the other entrance. Alright, cool. Song request. First person to request the song. Alright, song request. Local songs only, please. Local songs only. Play Jakala. Say. Okay, cool. Got a local songs. Zip a local song. And I get a local songs.
Hey, yo, Crowlins, is that you?
It's not a local song, my guy. KK, it's not a local song. You gotta get try on it.
Till I go pretend that we far from reality, till I go escape. And you hope my lawyer while you hold him over saver.
Think I let Trocola Silalo, Nelina Ban. I got the wrong track again. Mothala ba jakalas.
Used to be close to my cousins, not a chinchit in my fellow.
Butelo ke butelo.
We just keep moving, harajalo nele tabo le selelo. Butelo ke butelo.
And the beauty guy keeping about Joanna Bana.
We live together. Butelo ke butelo. The temptation is the buyer, Motelenta, Babaluela, Hona better. Butelo ke butelo, Maraho lemon na Emma.
How, Shui? You guys are confusing me, bro. Like genuinely asking. How sure you guys? How sure are you guys? Alright, cool. I think you've been able to try. And Bafana ba pina thingy blue le ma ba book you up December would you. Aba book you about the pina bone ne better, but December would like aba na ba book you hope. Kana ba kile ba book you. Taftalele just malaitiala by producer Pina by blow mo TikTok manyana. No management, no promotion. Abe ya block mo Zanzi kwa. Na versi jora kya kwa. Yo, next song. Jagalas. Hey, o khaketse gompieno teng. Ya ke itse ola. Eita Ola. That's the song. Yeah, I'm putting songs that you guys requested, Malitak.
Yeah. Barutanaga. KT. Wazenagadi gasile makeshan. Yeah. Bashanganisa zotsi za menaiza. Batotadisa okapi ba go slicer. Ba go fasaga dithapo ba go laisa buti. Khona to khona ba go size. Otso bina waya jaga slicer. Twana ba go maisa. Please ska baisa. Ke botsotsi ba go fasitse ma aisa. Butum dala masala. Mixa di dala.
Monar petrol e jabo kae taba.
Arezena bareja ja. Ke futale majaga. Susitse maraga. Twana na renyaga zaga. Phira le bokop dinganga. Tshosha nyogwe sembanyana. Jadi nyogwe sembanyana.
You guys listen to Rockefeller. I listen to Rockefeller. Actually, I'll put my favorite Rockefeller song after this. From this, I'm gonna put two of my favorite local songs after this song. I'm gonna put three of my favorite songs and then I'll go back to getting Salo. Yeah, delivery number 4. Yeah. Number 4. Do you know King Yamo talk about him? No, I don't know him. Kitty. I forgot that other one. Maybe people are offline. I'm left with one delivery. Yeah, I'm putting two of my favorite songs. We're gonna start with. Hey guys, I have to take this call. Yo. Yeah. I'm actually. Hey, kana nama ke go bolela ka mthakole. Those guys, they owe him. What? The whole amount is like 30 something K. So, wow. Oh, ke tlo bolwa ke batho. Yo, Chad. Tla intshwarela down. I'm sorry. Oh, ne ke re ke tshameka my favorite, I get it. Rockefeller. Yeah, like Soul Ties. This is the song I like, yeah, Rockefeller.
Let me talk my talk. I think the microphone
You know
works.
Khosia Motswako? No, I don't know it.
Shout out Oliver, shout out Dosky, shout out.
Bro, my Wi-Fi hedi like ke dirisa data. Au bana.
I got nigga turkey in the background. Shout out to Strap.
Tlo bogaba botso. Yewe, ra shwa re thu.
fela kutera sitsa se ga dipotso ke patlela botshelo jo bo tletse ka lo sotla ke
I saw Speed is buying clothes kana. Ah.
le medio chilang
O di reka kae?
se botso fela kutera sitsa se ga dipotso ke patlela botshelo jo bo tletse ka lo sotla man dilo tse ke di
Ke bona
selo jona bo khona ke ba ba ikgonang toro tse ke di lorang khan re sa di tlotleng modimo fa ba humitse ba sa di tlhokeng hard workers ba ba sa popeng nonetheless I'm trying to be the best ke le ka
An
gona go
essay.
se dira jalo ka go rap but where I'm from you can make it all in my rap ba re bitsa makete ka fa ba
He's live on YouTube. Yeah, I think maybe he hits my stream so you guys can go watch him since like because I need to leave to go see family. W stream. Oh, thank you. I better shoot na. Go Mozambique. Go Mozambique. Thank you, Bali.
I goes hard, chelete ka
Khane.
senkhane botlhoko mo pelong ha twetsa wa ke lebogale I'm holding on to
Something that is hopeless.
se se botlhoko I was set when
When
I
I wrote this, yeah, somebody's gonna quote this.
But I sleep on
When
some
I'm
coke
coke
days.
days,
You drive me crazy with
with
no
the
coke
dope shit,
I'm sipping this
with
that
the
coke
dope shit,
Yeah
dope shit, Liz. No, I know the song.
Raphael on beat nigga
Who about it? Yeah.
so ga phakela ke lebogala botso le medio chila le dirty se botso fela kutera sitsa se ga dipotso ke batlela
Guys, if you're watching this for the first time, do follow please so you don't miss out when we go live again. Ilawe naka Chrisida.
fela kutera sitsa se ga dipotso ke batlela botshelo jo bo tletse ka lesotlo I'm on my knees got it
Now check it out. I want to play one of my songs from this.
I was just there like matata ale ha mpiti mona ha palwa botoka abo aleki Kitumelo man I got faith even if I make it then it's God's grace I'm tryna cut my own place tryna look back like damn look at what we make Khake motho le masika half a niggas to relate it's up for me to relate to detail came a long way
Mutafere.
look at it now wait
He's still in essay.
probably the reason que sa rate get
Oh,
my
what does
cat
he
there crazy all the shit I gotta go through my mom is like a goddess she's the one I always go to
I don't think I should take this 2 minutes shooting short period of time. What do we like overdose?
Please, Rama said you can't rappel. May never lose myself, even if I can clapel. Give this music my all, you know man not the wild tropel. Only got one wish to make, that's the day how I got la let. God drop the music I'm leaving behind. Let my friends give speeches though they leave me behind. I spend less time with guns, shit I might not to rewind. Then my dogs, if I'm chilling, let that brush it, then we ain't nigga psych. Tryna move to Joyce.
Pitori.
Pitori. Lunch by my Ovi.
Let me play
One
of my favorite as well.
More money, more problem. This shit keep coming with
No
pain.
pain.
Bringing happiness to so it's always hard to refrain from making it. If I ever stop, then it's a mistake. I like to do be at the slaughter. We're raising the stakes.
Fella. I say playlist. Okay, I'm just putting random songs that I like. It's not a playlist. What's better, COD or GTA PR? They're different and they're unique. So I can't really say this one is better than the other one. You can't compare the two. They're just both of them unique. next ro ya batsamisa traka ga go jarata yana o itsa ka tlhaloganya le motho na ina ruti e yeah, go na get music on nice so but so no itseng hela apart from gore ya shuffle ke retsa music on nice kamo enaka my cars went hey it worked in it. I hope I don't die. I'll tell him to unbend you, my guy. Isaac. I'll call him before I end the stream. I'll call him. Yeah, my health is back. Usitembe. Yena ako na kuri deliveran ting kayo. Oh. Kuira ka lang kan. Ay. How far is that place? Please don't be the furthest one. Chat. Nah. Let's call it a day, Malik. That's way too far for me, bro. Way too far. That's way too far. I have to end the stream. That's way too far. Nah. When I get a sendela video, but set up about a gaming piece. What do they think this is? This job is boring, but the job pays a lot, Alex. It pays a lot. If I just do this last, just from this last delivery, I'm gonna be given $1 million. So that let's say let's call him. Yo, Chad, I think this is me ending the live, bro. Yo.
Yes, sir.
You are live, Fauco. Get live, Fida. You are live.
I'm live.
Yeah, get out. I'm live, and I called you on the live.
Oh, okay.
There's a guy called Weezy Isaac.
Hey, man, that kid. Oh my God, bro. Normally.
Yeah, he's on my chat. I should tell you to unban me, unblock me.
Okay, fine. Get them unblock. I'm not going to spam the comments and post in time.
Ask my comments or I am.
We repeated the same comment more. Kung send the comments is 10 more posting yan.
Isaac, can't you know when I can't read when I go imi se mokgwa o.
Get them unblock.
Hey. Why not go to me? I'll block up. I'm not gonna do this, bruh.
Hey.
I know, sure. If he blocks you again, I'm not gonna do this. I'll hear and unblock you. Hey, we're not professional. All right, let's chief. Don't do that. Yo, chat. Let's call it a stream end. Maybe I'll jump in a bit later. But hope you guys enjoyed it. The stream is there on YouTube if you want. Later, I get an outside na chwakai. Hagituro outside na chwakai moto amudim. Nare heza stream agaria. We are going to touch grass. We are going to touch grass in area late. No, I'm not gonna accept that, Chief Junior. No, relax, Chief. Like I said, I hope you guys have a wonderful time. Yebo. Who get out live and play chord maybe. Grass doesn't want to be touched. Hibo. Yeah, I'm confused, man. Grass hell nah. Into little girl touch the grass. When I do wanna go touch the grass, la gana. Kupa kola speed. Yay. Take out those words out of your mouth. Kay tatan na. Hay ba tong kuku ayana ke di bodyguard tsele. Bo. Ke bat. O bole nkhatha le ntira jifi ke kiriana. Oh, never. Hayi khona. Tlema delivery khakala dog. I have to go collect something. I have to go places, bruh. So I got to go late that. Good when we event hang we tower na VIP ro tsana ko we tower na le pass ro tsana ko bogote ya no ngwana o mang mo reno ke mo listing guest list. bo go check yo bo se mo tono bona yemela kwa so ke sharp Leo kopang di collab lona le bo Usopp le bo Junior do your thing nah I'd rather go try my luck go bona see someone maybe who might want to hear what you want to say but that guy doesn't want to it's up to him what he wants bruh he doesn't care about anyone he's like the biggest streamer in the world so I'd rather waste my energy to run to MT and say, yo, MT, come on, I'm a big fan. I'm a big MT fan, by the way. Yo, MT, I'm a big fan. I want a picture. Than that guy. Because MT might even say, yo, bro, what do you do? But say you shoot videos, let's connect something. You see what happened to Casper? Met Casper Mokode. We talk. He invited me to his event. I shot there. So you see, relationship you think Speed is gonna come here and say like we say United States of America let me go with you think about it so this is sitting all the time so jorone o di akanyetse you see because those guys come here because Africa is the next biggest thing. But it's about like listen, they're all coming this side because they know Habatakwano. He knows he's gonna get a lot of subscribers because he know people in Africa haven't seen him. So when he comes here, obviously they're gonna follow. Obviously they're gonna show up. So that's why I get it now. I'd rather try and sweat and lose aura to Motoegi where I can meet him one day. Something between us can work. He's reachable. Or later next time, oh, you are that guy. You are that remote guy from TikTok. Huh? You have a dope setup. You see, he remembers me because King. It's easy for him to remember because he's not too far from me. And you think Speed does that? Guys, if you offend him, please go see him. I'm not speaking as a hater. I'm just speaking realistic. Thing. I'm not saying if they reach out, I would say no. I'm not gonna say no. But what I'm just saying is I want you to do already assess as a person. Okay, cool. Daring. So if you want to go see him, please go see him. Go shout his name and he'll never look to you. Go ask for a picture. And then he doesn't take a picture with you. So I'm just speaking my own 2 cents. I'm not a hater. So go see Speed. Speed is coming today. Get it. Relax. I'm smiling like this because I know I'm saying the truth and it hurts to hear it. I know. That's why I'm smiling. I'm like, guys, there's nothing wrong with becoming a fan, guys. You should understand what influencers are also people. They are normal people. That's why when they're home, they're washing cars, they're cooking. They're just normal people as well. So how is not bad for you to become a fan? I'm a fan. Like, I'll go to his event and watch. Parliament. Yeah, Parliament is wild. What if people don't show up? people don't show up. We can't force people to show up. It's up to how people relate with the guy for them to show up. The top one King Oman was everywhere. He Wamorata dog. So he wants to be everywhere. So we can't judge him for that. That's what he wants to do. So we can't judge the guy. And I'm just interested to see if this guy does come here. Oh, what wait. Because the topic is secret. We can't miss the topic. The topic is there. How it's an Facebook or speed. How it's an TikTok speed. How WhatsApp status is speed. How so we can't avoid not talk about it because it's there. But if he does reach out to say, yo, the team reach out to say, yo, remove this, obviously my little brothers are gonna see him. That's for sure. For sure. Because I know they watch speed. For sure. Like if I wanna see him. If they do pull up, I call my little bros to say, yo, come have your boy over here. Who, Brad? Yeah. If not, stay home. Yeah, he watches speed. Stay home, my nigga. Stay home. But anyway. See him for what? I would go for Speed or Kai. I don't think these are two different people, bro. I think you can't say stream and not talk about those two. I think PS5 kind of Xbox. But from what I've seen, I understand why those bodyguards are like that. He's young, he's rich, and obviously Africa about to or no, what. So they're just trying to be safe. But how I'm trying to be safe, it steals people's joy of meeting the guy. What are two more life in your life? What did he make? Are too sharp in man? BK Ubona gaming setup all na code since the video at one and I code. A lot of people would die for that gaming setup alone. They would die for it. Hey, chat, let's tap Leti, all of us, because Leti's just here, she's not saying anything. Adam meeting, she's still here. Hey, let's just all tap Leti there, or yo, Leti, but say. When Ali Junior, boy Ali Junior, you guys, Kalo, you guys should work hard, bruh. All this, it didn't just come out. Let's all tap Leti. Leti should come out. Leti, how quite level life, fella, was a weird only the sister of the live, chief. What's going on? Let's call out late. I don't get why she's not saying anything today. Orobetse. Ese motshegaro kana ke 3 motho ka robala ka 3. Oh, joined the live not so long. I think she joined the live for like in the past 3-4 minutes. No, I'm leaving the game. I'll call him when I come back. I hope she's nice. I call it at least to be full stop. But I'm also reminder. Ow. She's not gonna say anything. Try Blood Strike. Hey man, you guys want me to try so many games, brag, and all these games I have to buy, and this is money. So I'm appealing. I'm here now. Wait, I'll try it some other time. Because I bought FC 25, FC 26. Oh, it's free to play. Hey, even it's free to play. I'll just try to get it then. I didn't know it's free to play. I thought I have to buy it. It's like Warzone. Oh, okay, cool. Guys, hey, let me dip. I'm going to touch grass. Wait. Just one. Don't flip and forget. And also pray before you sleep. And I'm out. YouTube is always the last one to end the live with.